Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable animated emojis. Just keep in mind they are mechanically built-in enabled. So if you haven't previously disabled them, they are already enabled and you have no use of doing this. But if you have disabled them previously, then this is how you enable them again. So first we're going to start by going to our settings. That's located in the top right corner here. As you can see, under true black dark mode, we have three options. So we said we want to enable our animated emojis. That's the second option. So you can see now they are disabled. So we're going to go on and turn that off. So to lock in the changes or to enable them again, we have to click on done. That's located in our top right corner. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!